This is a comparison. That is beautiful. Look at the camera. Oh my gosh. Oh.
One, two, three, let's switch this up.
Hey guys, it's Faith and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing my new iPhone 11. I don't think I've actually said the word unboxing in my channel so far. I think I may have when I was unboxing my camera, which I'm using right now. I now have the iPhone 11, which is packaged right here for me. I have opened it, but I'm just gonna show you guys this for entertainment. So this is what it looks like. It's in all white. It's so beautiful. Oh, I can't believe this is actually my phone. Oh my god. It's got the little, you know, Apple sign here. All white. 64 gigabytes, which is amazing because my other one, my iPhone 7 Plus, was 32. So now I've got like double the amount. So I'm going to be unboxing it right now. And also, I do have a new SIM card because obviously, you know, I just do. And this comes with 100 gigabytes as well. So I get obviously, you know, more storage, which is, you know, we can never go wrong with storage. Okay, so this is the phone. I'm going to take the wrap off it. Okay, this is the actual phone. Look at that. It's beauty. It's got the Apple logo there. The iPhone. Okay, now time for the big reveal. I'll put you guys here. Okay. I love it, right? This is what it looks like. I'm going to try not to flip it over, but that's what it looks like. There you go. You can see the hi. Oh my god, that's a loop. Anyway. Oh, so pretty. Oh my god, it says hello. Okay, so be gentle with this. Look at that. That is beautiful. Look at the camera. Oh my gosh. Oh, stop. Okay, look at that. That is stunning. Sorry, you can't tell me that's not stunning. It's all white. Amazing. Look at the, it says hello. Alright, I'm going to show you guys what it comes with. I'm going to put it here. It comes with this lightning cable, which is really good. That's what it is basically. Lightning cable. And then, what's this? Oh! It says designed by Apple. I think, if I'm right, these are the stickers. Oh, this is like the instructions. This is the tray, this thing for the SIM card, tray thing. Now I've got a sticker. And then I've got the instructions, the manuals. So, I'm going to... It's my new phone, guys. This is just really weird for me. Okay, alright, so I'm going to slouch down a bit. So first it says hello, if you guys can tell. By the way, I had the iPhone 7 Plus, so I do not know how to function without a home button. Home button is literally my thing. I've had that for years. So it's going to be crazy to not have a home button. I'm going to be forgetful. Like, I am going to do that. So we have to get used to it. It says hello in multiple languages. I think I'm going to swipe up. Alright, so it gives you an option of English and all the different languages. Obviously my language is Anglais, so I'm picking English. Select your region or country. United Kingdom. It's set in the language. Quick start. Bring your current iPhone or iPad near this iPhone to sign in and set up. That's the problem. My iPhone is downstairs, iPhone 7 Plus, but it doesn't turn on. So I'm just going to press set up manually, which is quite upsetting because I think if you do it this way, you can transport the images. Anyway, I'm going to sign into my network quickly. I know the password off by heart, so oh, it feels weird holding this phone. It's so tiny. Let's see if I'm connected. I'm connected, alright. It may take a few minutes to activate your phone. That is completely fine. I'm here all day. So I'm gonna get back to you guys when this is no longer, this sign is no longer there. Okay, I'm back. So it says data and privacy. Am I gonna read that? So I'm just gonna press continue here. Face ID. This is what I'm scared about. Like, I don't do this. I've gotten 7. I'm gonna press continue. Okay, how to set up Face ID. First, position your face in the camera frame, then move your head in the circle to show all the angles of your face. Bit weird, but alright. I've got lip gloss on, will that affect it? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, that is... Oh, okay. Alright. Move your head slowly to complete the circle. First, Face ID scan complete. Reposition your face within the frame. Oh, move your head slowly to complete this head circle. Okay. What way though? Oh, second Face ID scan complete. Face ID is now set up. Create a passcode. This is going to be the same one as my old phone and my laptop because I can't be remembering like 6 different codes. It's loading. Okay. I am going to restore iCloud back up because photos mean more to me. Apple ID, I'm going to put my Apple ID, and when I'm done with that, I'm going to come back to you guys. Okay guys, because this is quite complex and I need to like take my old SIM card and put it in here and get my number and all that, I'm just going to leave the Apple ID as it is because it has my old phone number and stuff, so I don't want to mess anything up. So I'm just going to be pressing back and I'm going to do this later. So I'm going to press next. Actually no, I'm going to press back. Oh, I need to transfer my apps and data. How? This is really stressing me out. How am I meant to do that? I'm going to see if I can do it on my laptop, and if I can, then I'll get back to you guys. Back again. I've just been downstairs and I've put in my old SIM card for my iPhone 7 Plus into this phone. You guys are not ready. This is my iPhone 7 Plus. I've had this phone for 5 years. I still adore this phone. It's so sad to see it go. So this is a comparison. So the iPhone 11 is smaller. I am going to have to get used to the slimmer screen, but I don't think it's too much of a difference. Yeah, as you can see, the camera's thicker here. No more home button. No, I don't want to talk about it. So I've put my SIM card in here, and now I'm actually able to get going. So I'm going to swipe open again. Oh, enter passcode this time. Okay. And then I can actually get into my iCloud now. 0747. Okay guys, I got the verification code and it says enter password for other phone, which is the exact same. Okay, so it says new Apple ID password. Password has been changed. So continue. So thankful for this as well. I'm not trying to brag in any way, shape or form. Generally, look at this phone. The lid, look, this is literally coming off. Look at that. Ow, my finger got stuck. Anyway, enabling location services. Unfortunately, I don't know what went wrong, but I wasn't able to like keep my old thingy. So Apple Pay, yes sir. Add card. Right, I'm gonna have to do that manually when I get my. I'm gonna do that later in a minute. This is so cool, guys. Oh, Siri, this is the bit I like. Hey Siri, send me a message. Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, play some music. Hey Siri, it's ready. Continue, please. Ooh, press and hold the side button to talk to Siri anytime. Okay, continue. Share audio recordings, alright, why not? Screen time, continue. Really love to know how, you know, iPhone Analytics, share with Apple. App Analytics, share with Apple develops. Light or dark mode, if you guys know me, you know. I probably haven't shared this, but dark mode is my best friend. No light mode for me, I hate it. Right, dark mode, as we should, you know. Standard or zoomed text, standard. Welcome to iPhone. Okay, swipe to get started. I want to get used to the swipe thing. Oh my god. Hello, I'm back. I've been to settings and I've been to control center. And you guys are going to see me screen recording over here. I'm screen recording. The time is 7 minutes past 6. Sorry, I'm a bit overhyped about this. Okay, so first I need to check out the camera because I've heard a few amazing things about this. Okay, no, I'm not gonna do that. Anyway. I look so, wow, this is a bit too clear. Oh my gosh, ew. Anyway. I'm gonna see. Oh, they're cute. I'm gonna see portrait mode now. Oh wow, this is really professional. And I'm gonna... This is way too professional for me. I don't know if I like it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, guys. That is insane. That is way too clear for my liking. Oh my gosh. That is... So, portrait again. Okay, that photo was a bit over the top. Oh my gosh. These are just so cool. Anyway, I'm going to come out of that and I'm going to download a few apps. I've got my beloved iMovie. My text messages have obviously all gone. I'm going to see if I can, you know, retrieve them. I don't think I will be able to, but that's completely fine. I'm going to download all my favourite apps and come back to you. And I'm going to do what's on my iPhone for you guys. So, that's my phone, guys. I've just unboxed the iPhone 11. Me. And... well, my phone previously wasn't actually it didn't have the iPhone 15 update because I just had no storage. I was lacking, guys. I had the iPhone 7 Plus, so I was only able to update to iPhone 13.1. So now I've got iOS 15. Like, I'm gonna download them. Cool. Anyway, gonna sort that out later. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked it, please feel free to click the subscribe button down below. Click the notification bell up here so you get notified whenever I open this video on this channel. Sorry the ending cut out, guys. Love you guys so much. Bye.